All is well where there is angel. Rise high, like caterpillar to butterfly. Hello friends, I am Anvesha Datta. I welcome you all to the world of spirituality. Today, I am going to tell you about our karma. I am sure you have read the title. Take rest only after giving your best. Now, first discuss about karma. What is karma? Karma is the work that we are bound to do. Irrespective of our age, we all do karma. Grow yourself with the knowledge of spirituality. Now, you may ask me, what is the relation of karma with spirituality? Karma is very powerful. Sri Krishna himself talked about karma in the holy book Bhagavad Gita. He said, Karmani vadikaraste ma phalesu kadachana. It means you have a right to perform your prescribed duty, but you are not entitled to the fruits of action. Never consider yourself to be the cause of the results of your activities, and never be attached to not doing your duty. This is an extremely powerful verse of the Bhagavad Gita. It offers deep insight into the proper spirit of work and is often quoted whenever the topic of Karma Yoga is discussed. The verse gives 4 instructions regarding the science of work. Number 1. Do your duty, but do not concern yourself with the results. Number 2. The fruits of your actions are not for your enjoyment. Number 3. Even while working, give up the pride or authorship. Number 4. Do not be attached to inaction. So, my friends, you see, we all must do our karma, our part of duty for which we have taken birth. Don't expect appreciation from people for whatever you are doing. You just thank God that He has given you this opportunity to do your karma. Whatever we are doing, the ability has been given by God, so it is a gift. That's why we should not accept appreciation. What if someone else gets that ability? It is not in our hands, right? So, always thankful to God and do your part of duty with your 100%. Some people feel proud when others praise them. Don't be proud for something or for such ability which is a gift to you. Be humble and continue your duty. Understand, my dear, you, me, and all the people in this world must do their task. That does not mean that we should not focus on our goals. We must do actions. This is our karma. When doing karma, we should not think, I am doing. If you ask me why, then tell me, who are you? Do you know why you have taken birth in that particular family? From where you have taken birth? No, right? You don't know anything, either birth or death. Then you should not have that much ego that you can say, I am doing. Because beyond that I, it is actually the Almighty, the God, whatever form you want to call Him, that Lord Krishna is doing. Therefore, do your action without expectation of fruit. 100% fruit will be there. Please don't wait for that fruit. Sri Krishna said, I know what kind of fruit to give, and that fruit also I am. And the action, what you are doing, that also I am. So, my friends, believe in yourself. You all are the children of Almighty. You can give your best. Take rest only after giving your best. I hope you all understand today's topic. Thank you all for joining me. This is all for today. See you all to my next video. Till then, take care. Stay healthy, be happy. God loves you all. Archangel Michael loves you all.